Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows script host error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. First of all, we will perform an SFC scan on the Windows, on your Windows computer. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is an antivirus scan. So search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar. Open Windows Security. Okay, now go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Scan options in the right pane. Select Full Scan. Click on Scan Now. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chk dsk /r/f, hit enter, press Y and hit enter once again to perform the check disk scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.